Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn off or change our PIN password on our lock screen in Samsung S22. Right now we have PIN password 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, how to change it or how to turn it off? We have to go to settings, then lock screen, and at the top we have lock screen type. We have to confirm our current one, and now we can change it. We can use swipe, so no security at all. We have pattern, so we can draw a pattern. PIN we had before, and password, digits and numbers. Of course we can use none, so just a push of a button, and face and fingerprint. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.